Hello there, this is Diya from English House. So are you ready to learn some interesting words with the letter Z, the Z words? If so, let's do this. The first word I have for you is buzz. Buzz. Buzz means to produce a very low sound. That is, when I say Andrew is buzzing around, which means that he is talking to a lot of people about something or someone in a very low sound. Means, gossip you can say that he's buzzing around. Like bees used to do this. They buzz around, they make this zzz sound and they fly around. That's it. The next word I have for you is jazz. Jazz is an early 20th century African American style of music. It is a very popular, very famous genre of music. Jazz. Next word is Mazi. Mazi means when you're mentally confused. Like I can say, I feel muzzy after the fall. Means എനിക്ക് clear ആയിട്ട് ചിന്തിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. I feel a bit dizzy. The next word is somewhat similar, fuzzy. If I say I feel fuzzy, then I'm not stable, I'm unstable, that I'm in a state of dizziness, you know. It all has the same shades of meaning. So the last one, but which is very familiar and very easy I have for you is, when you text someone or when you message someone, you used to type 3 Z's in a row, which is to suggest that you're feeling sleepy. Like, which is to suggest that an activity of snoring, which is to suggest that you're feeling sleepy, you want to sleep. Oh, you can also see this cute little emoji with 3 Z's on top of it, which is to suggest that you're feeling sleepy. So that's it, guys. There's a lot more to explore. Keep exploring and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.
English House. English at your fingertips.